Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best charcoal starters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Weber 7447 Rapidfire Chimney Starter. This smaller version of the original Rapidfire chimney starter lights coal in under 15 minutes without using lighter fluid. Its high-quality grills and smokers help to serve your family and friends delicious food every time. Our mission is to make a superior grill. Grilling on a Weber opens up a universe of possibilities from meat, fish to classic, sweet and tasty you want it to be. It is designed for Weber Smoky Joe and Jumbo Joe charcoal grills. It heats up coal in under 15 minutes and has a specialized cone-shaped grate to cook food. Its small and compact design helps to carry this fire starter anywhere without any issue. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weber 7429 Rapidfire Chimney Starter. The Weber Compact Rapid-Fire Chimney Starter is a more compact fire starter that is the perfect option to go camping or tailgating trips with your portable grill. According to size, it is 8 inches long and 5.75 inches in diameter and ignites coils within 15 minutes. Its great design is an ideal choice for small grills or short grilling sessions. It has all the security features that you like to see. Namely, both a cool touch handle and a protective shield to ensure that your hands are protected while the chimney is in use. This grill also comes equipped with features that give it a professional feel. It stays true to the promise of affordability paired with added features with the Rouge XT series grill. The staggered setup creates even heat distribution and protects the burners. It can lift easily and retain heat. The food is protected from weather due to its 2-door enclosed cart design. Number 3. Our third best pick is Char-Griller Chimney Starter. This chimney starter features a shielded, quick-release handle that allows briquettes to exit through the upper chamber's breakaway floor. A vented lower section makes it easy to ignite the coals by simply stuffing with a newspaper sheet and lighting with a match. It is equipped with heat-resistant plastic handles for safe operation. It quickly lights and distributes coal for even heating. This charcoal chimney creates a vortex that gets your charcoal ready fast with no lighter fluid needed. Its built-in release keeps the hottest coal on the bottom for better heat distribution and a more efficient grilling. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Homenote Rapid Chimney Starter Set. If you are a beginner, then the Homenote Rapid Charcoal Chimney Starter Set is made entirely for you. It also includes lighter cubes, air blower and heat-resistant mitts along with a chimney so that you can experience an easy and quick grilling process. This set can definitely speed up the process of burning your pile of coils. It is 11.5 inches long and 7 inches in diameter, so you will have plenty of space nearby to expose a medium to big size pile. Zinc-plated steel has been used in its construction that is completely rust-free. This includes fire lighter cubes, an air blower, mitts for handling the starter and the chimney starter itself. The cube available with the pack can give a burning boost to the charcoal. It is durable and comes with a sturdy handle for better and easy handling without risk factors. The best part is the handle is wooden and does not hurt your hand much while transferring the coals. It is 3 times better and faster in all terms. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is BEAU JARDIN Chimney Starter. The JARDIN Chimney Starter is made of durable steel with a high-capacity anti-corrosion that can hold up to 4 pounds of charcoal at once. It also has attractive air vents added to the base and side that helps reduce the time it takes to fire the charcoal. With its superior design, you will be able to heat coal extremely hot in just 15 to 20 minutes. It has a large protective shield fitted with a nylon grip to protect the hand from heat waves. This handle is temperature-resistant, anti-scaling, anti-slip and durable. This chimney holds enough charcoal up to a 22-inch grilling surface. Use some abandoned newspapers or other papers below to ignite a fire in this steel canister. The best thing we found, it's cheap and easy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.